Hey, good morning. We're back here at Nancy's log in the Arboretum. Isn't this just a stunning looking log that's developing? It just takes on a whole life of its own. You can see crawling up here is the bleeding oak crust. And if you look closely at the entrance, you can see the jagged edges where the honeybees have actually been biting back the invading crust. And then on top here, you've got this purple jelly disc developing. Just kind of stunning to watch the log actually live and breathe, grow. But the log itself, it's got all these little perforations and tiny little holes. And insects and small native bees actually have taken up home here. You can't really see anything right now, but in the spring, I'll be filming these emerging. So the log itself, is not just for the honeybees. There's all kinds of little creepy crawlies going on inside there. So I'd really encourage you to, if you've got a regular boxed hive, top bar hive, put in a little log. I mean, they look great in your garden, and they're great to observe. And you can just watch nature take over the log. Absolutely beautiful. Well, look, thanks for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to share the video, these are really pretty unique habitat. Well, I'm going to go off and inspect another log hive. Thanks for watching.